Alright, we're hooked up again. It's been a challenging day to say the least. Wind is blowing 20 knots or so, 25 knots. Gust of 25, I would say. We finally got hooked up. We've caught 3 channel cats, 2 are channel cats. So, let's see what this is. We're at the end of the day. A humbling day of fishing, that's for sure, but it's still nice to get out here. It's coming back in towards the creek. Keep a nice constant pressure on. We had a nice knockdown and we missed. Oh, nice big redfish. Stud redfish. Nice fish. There he is, right there. Trying to keep him out of the anchor line. Fish we've been waiting for. I really like that. Not like underneath the boat? Under the boat. Nice fish. Solid redfish. Alright, we're out of the... Now you got these lines down. We got the lines out, that's true. Hopefully we got enough clearance. Alright, I see him. There he is. He's red. He's red. It's a targeted species. Finally, we were wondering if we had it still had it in us. It's a solid fish. I'm gonna come over on this side. Stud, huh? That's a beautiful fish. Saw the hook. What do you think of this guy? That's what we're after. Let's see if we saw the hook. There you go, look at that guy. Wait. Okay. Let's see how many big he is. I'm gonna say he's like 26, 25. He's a good size. 26. Or is he 27? 26 and a half. That's an ideal fish, eating fish. Dinner. Dinner, what do you think? Oh, that's good, nice fish. Swallowed my hook. He was hungry, how to cut it off. Alright. We're only allowed one per person, but this is a solid fish. Alright, let's see if we can get some more before the end of the day. Alright, Ryan's hooked up here. Hopefully a redfish. Hopefully a nice big redfish. It's been kind of slow. We're on that king tide here. You can see we're a couple hours after high tide, and you can see how high the water is. super moon. Here we go, red fishing. Fighting it all or no? Coming straight for the boat. It's got a lot of weight. Fighting it. See, you see him? Definitely a redfish. Color. Oh. Catfish? Cat. Throw all that. It's a big one though. Holy shit. That's a big one. That's a real big one. That's a regular catfish. That's a monster. After all that, I didn't cut the line. It's a good size. Wow, he's got some whiskers. All right. There we go. I thought for sure that was going to be a redfish. Cut some spines in them. Alright, there he is. Let's get some more. Let's get on the reel attendant. We got some action over here. Fishing on a new spot. Not really fighting like a redfish, but what do we have? Alright, let's get it. As you can tell, we battled the wind all day, and this was a little bit of a slower trip for us. Definitely a humbling expedition, but look, we want to share the good and the bad with you, and you know, we still had an enjoyable day on the water. It's always good to be out, even if fishing is slow. But if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming up, both inshore and offshore fishing off Florida. Talk to you soon.